Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, hello class 6. I hope you all are fine. Today you will learn cell and its parts. So explained according to my knowledge. Alhamdulillah, I explained what is unit of life. Now cell parts. There are mainly 4 cell parts are given on page number 19 and 20. So what is cell wall? Students, cell has different parts: cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm and the nucleus. What is cell wall? Outermost covering of the plant cell is called the cell wall. Outermost covering. As our skin is the covering for our body, as the cell has outermost covering, that is called cell wall. Do you know it is made up of hard material? That is called cellulose. That is called cellulose. If any person is asking a question from you that cell wall is made up of, you will say cellulose. This is the outermost covering of the cell. Are you understand? So what is the function of this cell wall? Support the cell and give the shape. Support the cell and give the shape to the cell. Animals do not have a cell wall. Animal do not say. And number 2 is cell membrane. The outermost covering of the animal cell is called cell membrane. Animal cell की जो outermost covering होती है वो कौन सी होती है? That is cell membrane. That is cells. It is present next to the cell wall. It controls the movement of material and in and out of the cells. जो भी materials की movement होती है हमारे cells के in and out, that is understand. After that, cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the main part also. Jelly-like material present inside the membrane is called cytoplasm. Jelly-like एक substance होता है हमारे cell के अंदर, उसको इसके अंदर water भी होता है and different type of chemical substance are present inside in it, and different many organelles. It means tiny cell structures are present inside, and mostly the most fun place in the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance and also contain the water and the chemical substance. This is cytoplasm. And the number last is nucleus, most important part of the cell. Most important part of the cell. All the activities that is performed by the cell, it is controlled by the nucleus. And inside the nucleus surrounds thread-like structures that is called chromosomes. The function of nucleus control the all activities of the cell. This was the cell and cell parts. I hope you can well. Take care. Allah Hafiz will meet you in the next lecture.